Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 5 myths that we are told in beauty salons. Do not believe it. In order not to spend extra money, keep in mind, these 5 tips can be safely ignored. 1. You do not need highlights so often. Most stylists believe that with each root coloring, if you do not change the tone as a whole, you need to re-brighten the strands. This is not true. A competent colorist will simply make up a new recipe for blending the tones and put on the roots a darker shade, stretching it along the length, and already lightened strands protonate with another composition. If you every time dye all hair in one tone, and then redo highlights, chatouche, balayage, ombre, think about the skills of the master. 2. You do not need restorative procedures. Often before coloring colorists say that hair is terribly depleted, and before painting, they need to be restored. If you yourself do not think that your hair is not feeling well, and who else should you know? Safely refuse. High-quality paints in themselves take care of hair, and if you want restorative procedures, make them at home by applying special masks or oils. 3. You do not need to buy all the means of the same brand. Spend a good shampoo. And on balsam, mask, styling products, you can safely save. It is the process of qualitative cleansing without drying out the hair is really important, and the softening agents of more budget brands work just as well as the expensive ones. 4. You do not need to cut your hair once a month. The fact that with frequent haircuts hair grows faster, a myth. Hair, as you know, grows from the root, and this very root has no idea what happens to the tips of the hair. If the hair does not split, and the shape of the haircut suits you, there's no reason to cut the tips. 5. You do not need to wash your head every day. Despite the fact that shampoos are written suitable for daily use, the only reason to wash your hair every day is if your hair gets dirty quickly and loses its appearance. It's clear, if you wash your hair daily, especially long ones, the shampoo will end sooner, you'll go for a new one, and who's winning is obvious. Thin, curly, dry, colored hair is best washed every other day or every 3 days. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.